The 7 Wonders of the New World. Number 1. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983 for being the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired masterpieces of the world's heritage. 2. The Colosseum in Rome. The Colosseum is an oval amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome, Italy, just east of the Roman Forum. It is the largest ancient amphitheater ever built and is still the largest standing amphitheater in the world today. 3. Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is an Incan citadel set high in the Andes Mountains in Peru, above the Urubamba River Valley. Built in the 15th century and later abandoned, it's renowned for its sophisticated dry stone walls that fuse huge blocks without the use of mortar, intriguing buildings. 4. Chichén Itzá. Chichén Itzá is a well-known archaeological site, and more after being selected one of the new 7 Wonders of the World in July 7, 2007. Chichén Itzá is a well-known archaeological site. 5. Christ the Redeemer statue in Brazil. Statue of Jesus Christ in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Created by French sculptor Paul Andowski and built by Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa in collaboration with French engineer Albert Caquid. 6. The Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China was built over centuries by China's emperors to protect their territory. Today, it stretches for thousands of miles along China's historic northern border. Centuries by China's emperors to protect their territory. Today, it stretches for thousands of miles along China's historic northern border. 7. Petra in Jordan. Petra is a unique city sculpted on the rocks by the Nabateans, the Arabic people who once lived in the Jordan deserts around Petra, a place that became a very important mark of the silk route and other goods that were transported between Saudi Arabia, China, Greece, Egypt, Syria, and